Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, what do you wanna ask?
Earlier, my mother told me to go to Zoro's house to deliver food, but I got lost.
Oh my, how come you got lost?
I used maps, but I didn't understand how to use them, so I ended up getting lost here.
Or you? I know Zoro's house, because the name Zoro is the only one in this complex.
Thank goodness. From here, which way is the house?
From here, just go straight for 200 meters, then there will be a turn to the right, turn right, then go forward another 300 meters, and there will be a blue and white house.
Oh, thanks sis, then I'll go there. See you later.
You're welcome. Take care. Nice to meet you.